If your toothbrush still feels like something you grab, brush, rinse, and forget, 2026 has some seriously smarter options worth checking out. From powerful sonic cleaning to intelligent pressure sensing and travel-friendly designs, today's electric toothbrushes are doing much more than simply vibrating against your teeth. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric toothbrushes in 2026, focusing on the features that actually make a difference in everyday brushing. Whether you want premium smart technology, a long-lasting battery, or something simple that gets the job done, there's a strong option here for different needs. Stay with me until the end, because our final pick brings a completely different approach. And if you enjoy practical tech recommendations, hit like, subscribe to Tech Fact, and drop a comment telling me which toothbrush you would choose for your daily routine. Number 5. Philips One by Sonicare. The Philips One by Sonicare is designed for people who want a convenient step up from manual brushing without carrying a bulky, rechargeable model. This slim battery-powered model uses micro vibrations to clean teeth, with 13,000 vibrations per minute and a 2-minute smart timer to keep brushing on schedule. A single AAA alkaline battery can provide up to 90 days of use, making it especially useful for travel. The lightweight handle fits the travel case, and replacement Philips One brush heads are designed for this series. It lacks premium Sonicare's pressure sensing, multiple modes, and app coaching, but that simplicity is part of its appeal. The standout feature is its travel-friendly power setup. You can get months of brushing from one readily available AAA battery without carrying a charging dock or cable on longer trips. For travelers, students, or anyone wanting an uncomplicated electric brushing experience, the Philips One keeps the upgrade simple, compact, and convenient. Number 4. Ordo Sonic Plus. The Ordo Sonic Plus keeps things straightforward, focusing on useful brushing features instead of turning your routine into a technology project. The Sonic cleaning system has 4 brushing modes: clean for everyday use, white for surface stain focused brushing, massage for gentler gum care, and sensitive for a softer experience. A built-in 2-minute timer helps maintain brushing duration, while the quad pacer pulses every 30 seconds, signaling when to move on. Battery life is another strong point, with Ordo stating that one charge can last more than 4 weeks. It also works with the Sonic Plus charging travel case, which suits regular travelers. Its standout feature is the combination of 4 clearly defined modes with a long battery life, giving you flexibility without a complicated app. If you want a capable Sonic toothbrush that is simple to operate and easy to take away, the Sonic Plus offers a practical balance of performance and convenience. It avoids unnecessary distractions for users. Daily. Today. Number 3. Life & Wave 2025. The Life & Wave brings a noticeably different approach to electric brushing by combining sonic vibration with a wide oscillating movement. It delivers up to 66,000 vibrations per minute and supports oscillation up to 60 degrees, giving the brush a distinctive dual action designed for thorough cleaning. Through the Life & app, you can customize vibration strength, oscillation range, and brushing profiles, with 3 saved profiles available for quick access. The Wave also offers 3 dedicated brush heads for gum care, deeper cleaning, and whitening, while its IPX7 water resistance makes everyday bathroom use easy. Battery life can reach around 30 days, and the compact handle is available in ABS plastic, aluminum alloy, and stainless steel finishes. The standout feature is its adjustable 60-degree oscillating head, something most Sonic toothbrushes do not offer. For users who enjoy powerful cleaning, detailed customization, and a modern minimalist design, the Life & Wave is an interesting alternative to traditional sonic and oscillating toothbrushes without making the experience unnecessarily complicated. Number 2. Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige is built for people who want their toothbrush to feel like a personalized oral care system rather than a basic electric brush. Its Sense IQ technology monitors pressure, motion, and coverage while you brush, then automatically adjusts intensity when you press too hard. The A3 Premium All-in-One brush head handles plaque removal, stain removal, and gum care without constantly changing heads. You get 5 cleaning modes and 3 intensity levels, plus a 2-minute smart timer and brush pacer to keep sessions consistent. The handle feels premium, while the USB charging travel case makes it practical for trips. Philips also supports app-based coaching, letting you review brushing behavior and receive personalized guidance. The feature that separates it from many competitors is Sense IQ. Instead of simply warning you about pressure, it can automatically respond to your brushing technique. For users who enjoy detailed feedback and a refined sonic brushing experience, this remains one of Philips' most sophisticated choices. 2. Number 1. SURI 2.0. SURI 2.0 brings a refreshing idea to electric toothbrushes by combining strong, everyday cleaning with a remarkably clean, minimalist design. Its sonic motor delivers 33,000 vibrations per minute, while 2 modes, clean and polish, let you switch between regular brushing and a brighter finishing routine. The built-in TouchSense pressure sensor helps you avoid brushing too aggressively, and the 2-minute quadrant timer keeps your routine properly paced. Battery life stretches beyond 4 weeks, while the IPX7 waterproof aluminum body feels durable without becoming bulky. You also get a magnetic mirror mount, wireless charging stand, and an optional travel case with built-in UVC cleaning that kills 99.9% of bacteria. The standout feature is its sustainability. The brush heads use plant-based materials made from cornstarch and castor oil, and SURI offers a recycling program for used heads. It is an especially appealing choice for travelers who want smart essentials without unnecessary apps or complicated controls. It feels intentionally focused. And that's our look at the top 5 best electric toothbrushes in 2026. Each one brings something different, whether it's smart brushing guidance, powerful sonic cleaning, travel convenience, or simple everyday performance. Your best choice really comes down to the features you'll actually use every day. If this comparison helped you narrow things down, give the video a like and subscribe to TechFact for more useful product comparisons. And before you go, leave a comment with your favorite pick from these 5. I'd love to know which one you would personally choose for your routine.